All right, everybody, here is the finished product. I've got my Polestar key inside. You can see the buttons here, and they do work. Hear that? Yeah. So that everything works. Feels very premium. It's a perfect fit. It locked in there tight, snap. You can see that the lines, there's nothing, no real overlap or anything. You can see that it's pretty damn on point on both sides. Feels very premium. Feels very nice, a lot better than that crappy plasticky cover that was on there before. It isn't cheap, it's 50 bucks, so you got to kind of be a stickler, you know, like me. And I did hang the little charm on here. And this, I guess you could connect this to the key holder too, if you really want to, but I just kind of left it on there like that, hanging on. And that's my setup. Got my Jedi key there, my Yoda. That's the setup right there. Ready to go. All right, well, thanks for watching. American Jedi out.